guys, so I hope you don't mind that I fast forwarded basically the whole video because I'm pretty sick, and it's just a lot for me to try to talk. Oh, I should put a snowflake here. So I just hoped you wouldn't mind, and here we are. I used a lot of stuff from a lot of different shops. So this week and the week I showed you for the previous plan with me, or the previous week, I guess, because you didn't see it, were both full boxes only from Scribble Prints Co. And then I, like this one, I had these like silver gold glitter headers that I bought in the previous kit. I had bought just like a sheet of this color glitter header. I'll show you that kit again in a minute. But yeah, so then I just used my little like extras and foil things and all sorts of stuff to kind of fill in my spread, which I think is really fun and is like, it's more creative to do that. So I don't know, like you can pull in different colors of green and things like that. In my other spread I did rose gold and like pinks and stuff. So I think it's really fun. It's actually only Friday right now, and I know a few things for the weekend, but I'm leaving this box. Hopefully I can see my boyfriend. I don't know if he'll actually be back in town or not though. And then I can put something else in here, or I can put like a squiggle or some snowflakes or whatever. I ordered from Amazon today, so I should be getting a package tomorrow. And then this can be for whatever else I do today. I am homesick from work today, so yeah, it's been a lot of fun. So Monday I had Happy Meal, and then I had to swap packages at my office because the like package lock gave me somebody else's package, and then I didn't know where my package was, so thankfully they had it, but that was a disaster. And then Tuesday was our Secret Santa. I was super sick on Tuesday, and then it was my friend Scott's birthday. Wednesday, I went to Target to get medicine because I was still sick. I did laundry, got gas, ran to the bank, that kind of stuff. I took a lot of naps in here. Naps on Thursday, and then I got some Happy Meal on Thursday. I had, like planning time and planning my planner and stuff like that. And then this is today, so I ordered from Amazon. So I ordered Christmas presents for my niece and sent those to my parents' house. And then I ordered some things for myself and some gifts for coworkers, like in my department and like my boss and stuff. I slept in today because I didn't go to work. This, like I said, I can use for whatever else is for today. And then I marked my sick day. And then tomorrow I will hopefully be going to Pilates since I canceled my Wednesday and my Friday Pilates classes. Like I said, I should get an Amazon delivery, hopefully a date night, cleaning, Target run. I love how that foil looks on top of that black sticker, and I have a whole bunch of those black labels, so I'm like, ooh, I need to use those. And then I'll be grading at some point this weekend. I should start today, is really what I should do, but still kind of struggling. And then, like I said, I can either put something here or I can leave it. So like I said, I used a bunch of stickers from a variety of places that I've just kept around, and it's really fun. So this is the spread for the current week. And then and this is the notes page. I used this black and white check. And then for the previous week, so I showed this at the beginning of the video, but this again, I only had the full boxes, and then I had purchased these glitter headers, which didn't even go with this kit, but I feel like they match really well. And then I used a bunch of rose gold stuff, some of this like peachy color, pinks, and then this like darker green. I'm kind of losing my light, but I thought this turned out really cute. I wasn't going to use this kit, but I really liked it. But rose gold is not my typical like foil for Christmas time, but I fell in love with it, and I was like, ooh, I need it, especially because like this week was going to be more traditional. And then I think I'm going to use this gingerbread kit, which is also pastels, and then this one that's a little bit more traditional colored. So, you know, just to have a variety in my planner for Christmas time, but I thought this was super, super pretty, and it was really fun to do both of these spreads with just full boxes. And I got the full boxes from a full box grab bag on Scribble Prints Co shop. If you buy a lot from her, I don't know that I would recommend them, but I don't buy a ton. So most of what I got I have never had before, or maybe all, I can't remember. But most of it I can use. So that is everything for me today. Again, I hope you don't mind that I fast forwarded and that I keep flipping to show you these spreads, but I think they're really, really fun. And let me know if you like having a kit or if you prefer kind of pulling things together. And if you guys saw this little like sticker book where I held stickers from previous kits and things, it's linked in my Amazon storefront or whatever it's called down below. It's not like my products, but just products that I use. Ooh, also I used the Simply Gilded date washi for the first time, and they ripped pretty well for the most part, but not perfectly, so I had to but that's probably my fault, like they're perforated correctly. But I did have a little bit of struggle. But after putting them back together, like I think I put Saturday back together, like you can barely even tell, so not really a big deal. And then these are also the perforated Simply Gilded headers, but I've used those before. Love, love, love. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna stop talking because I just can't talk that long. Thank you so much for sticking with me, even though I have been so sick lately, and I know I say that in every video, but I've literally been sick since September, and it is December, the middle of December, and I'm just over it. All right, I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.